My name is Marcel. The podcast that I have is at Breakthrough Essay, and I just want to give a word of motivation to you guys. If you look next to one another, you will see that this is just my fellow companions that I'm working with, that am with, and we as men go. What is the boys brigade based on?
The object of the boys' brigade is the advancement of Christ's kingdom among boys and the promotion of habits of obedience, reverence, discipline, self-respect, and all that tends towards a true Christian magnificence.
You will still grow as time goes. So don't think that I'm on this level, I'm not gonna be. Life is just a journey, and you must accept and you must work with it. It would be tough, but through the toughness, it's gonna learn, it's gonna teach you stuff, it's gonna help you in future. And there's a lot of challenges for, especially for our youth today. It's not very easy to be a youth because there's lots of influence, there's media, there's your friends, and especially if you want to do something and achieve something, but other people see no, but this is not what they want to do now. They want to influence you, saying, "Nah, um, come, let's do this thing and leave that. That is boring." But the thing is, you must stay strong. You must stay strong, and you must build yourself. So, guys, I just want to leave you with this message. It's not where you started.
Namens de Bozo, namens de Bozo, ons maar net baie dankie sê dat jy sê dit boys so. Ja, baie dankie.
Okay, so
As jy
subscribe and follow.